In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the date and time format on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best result, you come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. And now up at the top right, you want to select the view by and select the drop down and select large icons. And then you want to go down and select a region. And now at the top, it says format English, or maybe it says something else. You can click the drop down. You can change the region in here. And that, I believe, will update the default date and time format appearance down here as well. However, if you just want to customize the date and time format, you can click in these individual drop downs and change how the date and time is displayed. And you'll see the example show up down here, and it should be listed on this bottom category here. You can adjust when the calendar begins, as well as the long time that is displayed down in your taskbar. And then once you're done, you would select apply to save it. And that's all you'd have to do. Or again, you can click on cancel to, I guess, opt out of that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.